Good morning, dear students. So today, let us continue with the new chapter, for which I have already sent you the notes. Okay, and this is the chapter from section 1 or paper 1, you can say, and the name of the chapter is solutions. Okay, so in your syllabus, chapter number 2, solutions. So today is the introductory lecture for solutions. Okay, and dear students, in chemistry, you know what is the meaning of solutions. You are studying from the lower standards. Okay, in simple words, you can say solution is a mixture of two or more substances. Correct? Simple words में आपने ये पढ़ा होगा कि solution is a mixture of two or more substances. Okay, now at inter level, okay, we have to be more specific, okay, with the definitions. So in the lower standard, we have studied that solution is a mixture of two or more substances. Okay, then those substances here we can call it as components. So now we can define solution as a mixture of two or more components. Okay, and the two main components of solution are solute and solvent. Okay, these words already are familiar. So solute is the minor component of the solution and solvent is the major component of the solution. एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं सिंपल. ओके, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन. तो ये सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में आपका सोल्यूट कौन सा है जो कम अमाउंट में है, वो है सॉल्ट, है ना. 1 स्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट आपने लिया, 1 ग्लास वाटर में आपने डिसॉल्व कर दिया, तो सोल्यूट आपका सॉल्ट है जो माइनर कंपोनेंट है कम अमाउंट में, एंड सॉल्वेंट विल बी वाटर विच इज अ मेजर कंपोनेंट. तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है डेफिनेशन में, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, because on the basis of this only we have one table which is given to you. You will find in my notes also. Okay, students, make sure that okay, when we receive the PDF, when you receive my notes, okay, immediately you know that okay, video link is sent to you, then that video link will be related to my notes. So you be ready with your notes. Okay, when you get the video link for that particular notes. Okay, then only you will come to know, because we can't write again and again all the matter here. So types of solution, in that the main types of solution we are going to study under this category. Types of solution based on physical states of solute and solvent. Now you know the physical states of matter, solute, solvent, okay, which are matter. So here the physical state like solid, liquid, gas. Okay, so that table with example will explain you different types of solution based on physical state of solute and solvent. एक सिंपल एग्जांपल आपको वो टेबल में से मैं देता हूँ. जैसे मैंने नोट्स में आपको एक टेबल दी है. फर्स्ट कॉलम टेबल में आएगा सोल्यूट, सेकंड आएगा सॉल्वेंट, फिर टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशन एंड एग्जांपल. सो दीज आर द 4 मेन कॉलम व्हिच आई हैव गिवन टू यू. सो now focus on the example, simplest example which I gave you just now, salt solution. Okay, so in salt solution, solute column में क्या लिखेंगे? solute column में क्या है? physical state क्या है salt का? solid. solvent क्या है? water which is a liquid state. तो solute अगर solid state में, सॉल्वेंट अगर लिक्विड स्टेट में, तो कौन से टाइप का सॉल्यूशन हो गया? तो उसको हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं फिर? एग्जांपल ना, सोल्यूट इन सॉल्वेंट, ऐसे टाइप में लिखते हैं. अभी वो एग्जांपल के लिए सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन के लिए सोल्यूट सॉलिड स्टेट में है, सॉल्ट सॉल्वेंट लिक्विड स्टेट में है, वाटर. तो ये कौन से टाइप का सॉल्यूशन हो गया? वो सॉलिड इन लिक्विड. समझ में आया? So this way you are writing the types of solution. Okay, so for this particular example it was solid in liquid. वैसे आपको air, हवा, air. So what you will write here? Solute is also gas, solvent is also gas, so air is a gas in gas type of solution. Okay, in this way you have to understand the remaining examples and any doubts you can ask. Okay, very interesting examples are there. 2 or 3 examples are very interesting. So just try to understand. Otherwise, you can ask me the doubts. Now the next part of the chapter, very important, and this part we have problems. हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व करने हैं. तो आज हम लोग सिर्फ ये टर्म्स के मीनिंग समझेंगे, उनके फॉर्मूले समझेंगे. फॉर्मूले ऑलरेडी मैंने लिख के दिया हुआ है, तो आपको सिर्फ देखना है और समझना है. Concentration means what? Concentration meaning is when you dissolve specific amount of solute in specific amount of solvent, then you get the concentration of the solution. तभी आप एक पर्टिकुलर concentration solution का बनाते हैं. जब आप स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट को वे करेंगे, उसको स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट में डिसॉल्व करेंगे, फिर आपको एक सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा और वो सॉल्यूशन का एक कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होता है. ओके, तो ये है डेफिनेशन, नहीं तो मीनिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म का. ओके, सो दैट वाज द डेफिनेशन पार्ट. अभी हम आपको मेन 5 टाइप के कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इस साल पढ़ने हैं, जो बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो प्लीज फोकस हियर. फर्स्ट वन, परसेंटेज बाय मास डिनोटेड बाय m अपॉन n. अभी आपको अगर पूछा जाता है कि कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज मास ऑफ सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन सॉल्यूशन, तो आपको फॉर्मूला आज समझना है कि आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. परसेंटेज बाय मास ऑफ सोल्यूट ओके इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. मास ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100. अभी इनटू 100 क्यों आया है यहाँ पे? बिकॉज परसेंटेज. सेम वे यू विल हैव द वॉल्यूम. परसेंटेज बाय वॉल्यूम विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सोल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100. मोलैरिटी अगेन only a word, so again just to revise the proper formula for molarity denoted by capital M. So capital M molarity is nothing but is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. Okay, volume of the solution in liters ये फॉर्मूला है. और नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को भी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स विल बी इक्वल टू of any component will be equal to mass of the component upon molar mass of the component. That also I have given in my notes. So that way we can calculate the molarity. The concept will be more clear. Okay, when at least one example of this type for each type of concentration I will explain to you. Then the doubts will be very clear. Mole fraction denoted by capital X. So mole fraction of any component if you want to calculate will be equal to number of moles of that component upon total number of moles. So mole fraction of any component is equal to what? Number of moles of that particular component, जिसके लिए हमको mole fraction find out करना है, divided by total number of moles present in the solution. That also we will understand with the one problem. And molarity denoted by small m. New term for you. So molarity will be equal to what? Formula for molarity is number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है? नोट्स आप रेफर कर सकते हैं. मोलैरिटी विल बी इक्वल टू मास ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट इन kg. ओके, सो मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? Number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. Okay, so dear students, since this part which is based on formulas, and of course that will be more clear when we solve examples. Okay, and try to get answers systematically doing the calculations. Okay, that time this part will be very clear to you. Okay, now after this particular part, okay, So in the very next video link, when we solve the numericals, I'll make you understand how to solve the numericals. Okay, then we start with the next part. I would just like to introduce today, not going in detail. So the next part of the chapter in your syllabus is we have to study colligative properties. Okay, the main part of the chapter, or you can say, okay, 70 to 75% of the chapter is based on this part, which is called colligative properties, which are the colligative properties are the properties based on number of moles of the solute, number of solute particles. तो कैसे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं ये प्रॉपर्टीज, कौन से है ये प्रॉपर्टीज, 4 मेन प्रॉपर्टीज हमको पढ़ने हैं. ओके, तो वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. टू बिगिन विद दिस चैप्टर यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस पार्ट विच इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. ओके, एंड यू विल रिसीव नाउ PDF ऑल्सो, यू विल रिसीव 2 to 3 PDF. ओके, कल के कल ही ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको जो PDF मिलेगा फिर आपको वीडियोस भी मिल सकते हैं एक ही दिन में आपको. Okay, to wind up with the portion. Okay, but not okay, we are not going to directly, I am not going to hurry with the portion. Okay, we will understand properly and then we will okay, timely get the PDF also and video links also. Okay, so dear students, wait for the PDFs. Okay, as long as time permits. Okay, I will be sending you the notes. Otherwise, okay, from my lecture only, where okay, from the notes only. Okay, directly when I am sending you the notes. Okay, or sometimes might be a video link only wherever I am writing the formula and solving, and okay, and writing notes here only. So you will get the explanation at the same time, and notes also you have to directly write from the video link. So please, in that case, you have to be well prepared. Okay, watch the video properly slowly and then you can write your notes. Okay, because the syllabus is lengthy. Okay, so somewhere we have to okay adjust with our syllabus. Okay, but understanding the concepts comfortably, that we can do. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept. Any doubts, okay, anytime you can ask. Just message me and immediately at that time, but very next day you will get the answers. Okay, so study well and maintain your notes properly. Okay, maintain your notes properly, your manual workbooks. Okay, so anytime notes or experiments also, when we start with our practicals, will be asked for your correction. So take care, study well. Okay, have a nice day and thanks for good.